Toledo Metal Spinning Company has been forming metals for nearly 100 years. A little known fact is that the deep draw technology at Toledo Metal Spinning Company actually complements the spin form process. Greater depth and more intricate configurations can be achieved when the deep draw and spin processes are combined with each other. Every deep draw part starts with a laser cut blank. Utilizing the laser allows a blur-free blank that is cut with extreme accuracy. The blank is then oiled and inserted into the press for forming. Our technology allows shapes and configurations that are more difficult by spinning only. This sets TMS apart from the rest. The standard cones produced at TMS are first drawn from a blank and then formed into a cup-shaped part. Longer cones are actually deep drawn with reverse draw technology, achieving greater depths than spinning with a simple stroke of the press. Contact TMS to quote your deep draw and spinning needs. After all, we've been around for almost 100 years.